To fully understand this video, it is necessary to see those that I have been previously published. Since the human being can sleep during the day, like night, lying down or sitting, perceiving sensation of warmth or cold, etc., we understand that he can reach the state of sleep in many different situations. This means that the phenomenon which produces it does not come from what he perceives by means of his sensory neurons. In this case, we note that the entrance into the sleep state directly affects the conscious zone because the perception that take place in this zone are cancelled out. In addition, it must be remembered that the only brain area directly related to him are those of behavior and those of physiological fact, such as the one that cause the feeling of anger, something that has been dismantled in the functioning of the brain, el funcionamiento del cerebro. Hence, since this entry does not concern this zone of behavior because, as we have just analyzed it, it does not depend on them. We understand that it has to do with its physiological state. In addition, since during the state of sleep, the vital rhythms decrease, which slows down the supply of nutrients to the body cells, and in particular to the neurons. It is understood that the development of the physiological processes of the individual is slowed down. In spite of this, we note that a person may not experience a specific sense of perception, whereas this kind of perception occurs when a physiological fact enters the conscious zone, as has been demonstrated in le fonctionnement du cerveau. This makes it clear that entry into the sleep state does not depend on any of these particular facts. Hence, event of the physiological state of the individual has an important denial in this entry. It does not concern the production of one or more particular physiological facts. When the state of wakefulness occurs, the duration of which corresponds to the daytime activity of a human being, it is observed that the entry into the state of sleep is effected according to two fundamental conditions: the physiological and mental exhaustion, which implies that the consumption of nutrient and oxygen of the neurons are limited to what brings the circulatory system. The state of body lethargy, which means a reduction of the rate of function of the organs dedicated to the generation and the supply of nutrients and oxygen to the organism as a whole. In this case, it is understood that because its physiological and mental exhaustion implies that the consumption of nutrients and oxygen by the cerebral neurons is restricted to what brings to them the circulatory system, and that precisely the state of lethargy body involves a reduction of the operating rhythms of the organs dedicated to the generation and supply of nutrients and to the organism. It is deduced that also succeed automatically the reduction of the vital rhythm of the organism as a whole. Next, this decrease of vital rhythm causes the decrease of the energetic potential of the signal that produce and transfer the cerebral neurons, in order that the contribution of nutrients and oxygen which make it possible to generate them, that is provokes, it is slowed down. This in turn reduces the intensity of functioning of the organs that participate in the automatic system of the neurovegetative system, such as the heart and lungs, thus causing a further slowing down of vital bleeding, which suppresses the production and transmission of nutrients and oxygen to brain neurons, and as a result decrease the ability to produce energy and hormone and other substances. This in turn reduces the energy potential of the signals emitted by neurons and causes a decrease in vital rhythms. This cycle generates a progressive diminution of the vital rhythms, which in the first place causes the reduction of the energetic potential of the information which enter the zone of the conscious until they cannot penetrate to the conscious level. Secondly, this decrease causes the intensity of the energy signals that run through the brain to be reduced. This ultimately prevents them from being subject to reading, thus blocking the ability to perform mental processes during the evolution of thought. Consequently, as he perceives nothing at the conscious level in the zone in which he manifests himself, the individual perceives himself and his environment, and is therefore conscious of his own existence, which means that he enters the state of sleep. Hence, when the production of vital elements such as hormones and enzymes on the part of the neuron decrease significantly, the brain starts to generate melatonin, which prevents an excessive decline in vital rhythms. In any case, it does not must occur. The video is based on my discoveries, the studies and demonstrations that help to understand them can be found in the Fonctionnement du cerveau, the functioning of the brain, published in Amazon.com books.